Changing your verification method on Yahoo Mail can enhance your account security and ensure you receive important notifications. Follow these steps to update your verification method. Step 1. Sign into Yahoo Mail. Open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail website. Enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account security settings. Once logged in, click on your profile name or icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Info and then click on Account Security. Step 3. Verify your identity. You may be prompted to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may include entering a code sent to your current verification method. Step 4. Change verification method. In the Account Security section, look for the option to manage your verification methods. Choose the method you want to change, such as phone number or email address, and follow the prompts to update it. Step 5. Save changes. After you have made your changes, ensure you save them by clicking the Save button. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your verification method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your verification method on Yahoo Mail. Regularly updating your security settings helps keep your account safe.